Good morning, student. Today we will start. Subject is engineering methodology. Our topic is comparator. Comparator. Last period we have to learn sigma comparator. Today we have learn in comparator, that is pneumatic comparator. Pneumatic. Pneumatic comparator. In pneumatic comparator means comparator क्या करता है? Comparator compare the dimensions, variation of dimension with reference dimension. That is the means variation can be carried out by the workpiece is compared with this pneumatic comparator. Now in pneumatic comparator, the word pneumatic word is indicate, that is air pressure. Means variation of dimension can be measured with reference dimension by using air pressure. By using variation of air pressure. Means air pressure से जो dimension में variation आता है, that can be calculated by this pneumatic comparator by using air pressure. Our diagram is pneumatic comparator. Diagram. The name of this pneumatic comparator is Solex pneumatic comparator. Solex, S-O-L-E-S. Solex pneumatic. Solex pneumatic comparator. Now diagrammatically, here is cylinder. There is compressor. There is compressor. This is air compressor. This is air compressor. From air compressor, here is one of the pipe. This goes to here. Is due to emerge in the water tank. Water tank पे due to emerge क्या है? This water tank. This is water tank. Here is water filled. Here is water. This is due to now, sorry, here is filter. Here is attached here filter. This filter from here is control orifice here. Control orifice. Here is orifice. Here is control orifice. Now from this, here is connected manometer. Here is connected manometer. There is connected manometer. Here is connected manometer. Water is here. This is the height H. Capital H. This is height H. and this is change in height, change in level. This small h is manometer for measurement of back pressure. Here is applied manometer. Now air is passes from this from constant air is passes. Here is one of the jet, that is again called as gauging head. This gauging head. Here is air jet. Here is air jet. And here is workpiece, means dimension we have to measure. Here is workpiece. Here is escaping air. This is our workpiece. This cylindrical workpiece. We have to measure the variation of dimension. Measure the variation of dimension. This is the workpiece. This is what is gauging it. This space, this air escaping place. This is space, air escaping space. This manometer here, there is water tank. Here is water is filled with metal tank. What is the parts of this diagram? What is the main important parts in which diagram? There is Solex Pneumatic Comparator. Here is air compressor. The word indicate pneumatic, that is air compressor. First is important part is air compressor. Second part is filter. Third is water tank. Fourth is orifice, control orifice. Control orifice. Number 8 is manometer. Fifth number is manometer. Number 6 here is gauging head, air jet. And number 7 is workpiece. Means workpiece we have to measure the variation in dimension. This cylindrical workpiece can be measured internal diameter of this workpiece. Measure the dimension of variation in internal diameter of this cylinder. How it is work? Now air is compressed from this air compressor. This air is applied on this filter. Air कहाँ से आती है? compressor से air आती है. This air is passes through this filter. Air is passes through this filter. Filter क्या करता है? Filter is the remove the dust particle, dust particles from this filter, and filter air is passes through this control orifice, and excess pressure, above the desired pressure, air is passed from this water tank. Excess air above the desired pressure means a गेजिंग हेड डायमेंशन चेक करने के लिए कांस्टेंट प्रेशर होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ से जो एक्सेस प्रेशर आता है, दिस एक्सेस प्रेशर एयर प्रेशर कैन बी रिमूव फ्रॉम दिस वाटर टैंक अबाउट दिस वाटर बबल, एंड कांस्टेंट प्रेशर एयर passes through this orifice. Constant air is passes through this orifice, through this gauging head. Again it is called as air jet. This is air jet. Air jet. तो air jet क्या करता है? Air jet moves internal surface of this workpiece, and here is the variation of pressure, variation of back pressure indicate here yes, variation of back pressure indicated by this calibrated manometer. This is the measuring device. Manometer is the measuring device. Here is the variation of dimension, variation of back pressure. Here represent this manometer that can be change the dimension of this particular object या वर्कपीस के डायमेंशन में जो भी वेरिएशन है, जो भी चेंज इन डायमेंशन है, इट रिप्रेजेंट हियर मैनोमीटर, एंड दिस इंडिकेट द वेरिएशन ऑफ डायमेंशन या बैक प्रेशर इंडिकेटेड बाय दिस मैनोमीटर, एंड मैनोमीटर इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस in between this orifice and this water tube, indicated the change in dimension or variation of dimension is to be read out. A reading is displayed from this here manometer, calibrated manometer, and we have to change the dimension, change the variation of dimension can be here is indicated. अगर dimension अगर here is डायमेंशन इज नॉट वेरिएशन, कांस्टेंट डायमेंशन है, डायमेंशन में अगर वेरिएशन नहीं है तो देयर इज नो रीडिंग। अगर रीडिंग 0 दिखाए, रीडिंग चेंज इन बैक प्रेशर अगर नहीं दिखाए यहाँ पे, या चेंज इन लेवल नहीं होगा, दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो वेरिएशन इन डायमेंशन। दिस करेक्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंटरनल डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर जॉब या वर्कपीस। दिस इज द कंप्लीट वर्किंग ऑफ दिस pneumatic solid pneumatic comparator. This most useful for, इसका यूज जो होता है internal diameter of cylindrical part, external diameter of cylindrical part can be change the variation of dimension. Again it is ovality या taperness या check the flat surfaces of this instrument can be worked at properly. Okay, this is the now the uses of this pneumatic comparator. इसका यूजेस क्या है? Is the main parts of this diagram is air compressor. Air is compressed from this compressed air and supplied to this filter. Filter is remove the dust particle, and high pressure air means excess pressure of air is passing through this orifice, and here is above the desired pressure air remove bubble out, and desired pressure here can be carried on this gauging head and air jet, and variation of the dimension can be checked by this gauging head, and this gauging head has here circulated here, and workpiece is rotated about the axis of this jet. वर्कपीस क्या होता है? रोटेट होता है, एंड गेजिंग हेड क्या होता है? ये स्लाइड होता है आगे पीछे, एंड मेजर द पर्टिकुलर डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस जॉब या वर्कपीस कैन बी कैरिड आउट। नाउ यूज, इसका यूज क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूज या एप्लीकेशन। application. It is used for internal diameter of cylinder, yeah, cylindrical portion. Yeah, again it is for external diameter, external diameter of cylinder. Again, here is check the flatness, check the straightness surfaces. For checking flatness of surface. Again, it has taperness or ovality. Can be checked by this instrument. This taperness जो surface होता है, taper cylinder, that can be measure the dimension about this pneumatic comparator. This is the application. Now advantages. How it can be advantages? Advantages is that there is no contact surface between this workpiece. ये जो एयर जेट होता है, गेजिंग हेड जो होता है, there is no contact between this workpieces. कांटेक्ट न होने के कारण there is no change in डायमेंशन के ऊपर कोई सरफेस एक्सेस प्रेशर वगैरह इसमें नहीं आएगा. That means there is no contact pressure between the workpiece and गेजिंग हेड. This first advantages. No contact between workpiece and गेजिंग head. Again, second is here is measure dimension. All types cylindrical hole can be accurately measured by this instrument. Any cylindrical dimension can be measured. Third is here is high magnification. इसका जो मैग्निफिकेशन होता है हाई होता है एज कंपेयर टू सिग्मा कंपेरेटर, डायल इंडिकेटर. मैकेनिकल कंपेरेटर से न्यूमेटिक कंपेरेटर का मैग्निफिकेशन है जो हाई मैग्निफिकेशन नियर अबाउट 30,000. हाई मैग्निफिकेशन about 30,000 is to 1 of the high magnification. Magnification high है. These are the advantages. Now we have to learn uses, advantages. This is the most important instrument for measuring the dimension of cylindrical parts and comparison, and here is represent the variation of internal diameter, external diameter of circular cylinder, holes. Again it is ovality and taperness of the straightness of the surface can be represented by this instrument. Okay, this is called as Solex Pneumatic Comparator.